Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
Hey folks, this is Maverick Watch Reviews, and this is just going to be a quick video explaining how automatic watches work. It's really simple. An automatic watch is a watch that requires no electricity and runs on stored energy produced by the wearer. When you wear an automatic watch, there's a weighted rotor that spins around bidirectionally and winds a mainspring through the everyday motion of you moving your hand and arm. That mainspring then releases the stored energy to power the watch. Most automatic watches let you wear them for a couple of days before you either have to wind it manually yourself or the watch automatically winds itself while you wear it. Some automatics do not have a manual wind feature, so you would need to shake the watch in a circular motion for a few minutes to wind it. Obviously, the benefits of an automatic watch are that you never have to worry about replacing a battery, and if well taken care of and serviced, an automatic watch can last generations. I hope this helped with any questions you had about automatic watches, and make sure you watch the other videos in this series on how different watches work. Thanks, and have fun shopping.
When I was young, I used to come here, I mean right here, on this specific rock. I would dive into the ocean and I would spend hours and hours exploring the undersea area. Freediving is a way of living my life with art and passion, a way to feel connected to the world, to be part of it. It's not only about sports or performance. it's not only about art or aesthetics. It's all of the above, combined. The sea is my inspiration.
This is the ballpoint pen that also easily laser scans recipes, magazine articles, or important documents. Its precision autofocus image sensor scans up to a full 8.5 by 11-inch page as a crisp, clear image. Pressing the shutter button halfway projects a visible red laser frame onto a document, allowing you to line up a scan before pressing the button fully for a picture. Scans are stored in the pen's built-in memory, which can hold up to 1,000 images. Removing the pen's tip reveals its USB plug that allows you to upload images to your computer for storing or sharing. The pen captures up to 300 images before needing a recharge. The pen-size scanner allows you to save documents as effortlessly as you write a note. And like every item offered by Hammacher Schlemmer, it comes with a lifetime guarantee of satisfaction. Hammacher Schlemmer, offering the best, the only, and the unexpected since 18... expected since 18...
Hello, I'm Wenmei from DP Review, and this is the DxO1. The DxO1 is the company's first foray into camera hardware and packs the same 1-inch type sensor found in Sony's RX100 line of cameras into a tiny, pocketable iPhone attachment. The comparatively large backside illuminated sensor is paired with a bright 32mm equivalent f1.8 lens that will give you significantly better low-light image quality than what you'll get from a smartphone camera. The fast lens also means you'll have better control over depth of field, which brings the ability to blur backgrounds in portraits, for example. Connecting the DxO1 to your iPhone via the Lightning connector automatically launches the DxO1 app, and the physical connection guarantees a fast and virtually lag-free live display. The app also updates the camera's firmware automatically, making the One quite the connected camera. Speaking of novel camera features, the One offers a Super RAW mode that uses multiple shots to reduce noise in RAWs, as well as perform some degree of image stabilization by analyzing motion blur in between frames. This helps the camera punch above its weight in terms of low-light image quality and dynamic range, with DxO talking of it rivaling DSLR image quality. A compelling reason to choose the One over a comparable camera is its size. It's tiny. The philosophy here is that the smartphone in your pocket already has a large touchscreen and powerful processor built in. Why not use them instead of duplicating them in a standalone camera? If you own an iPhone, the One is pocketable enough that you won't think twice about throwing it in your pocket or handbag. And as they say, the best camera is the one you have on you. For more information about the DxO1, visit us at dpreview.com.
Identity theft is a real threat, and it can happen anywhere, anytime, to anyone. So we have to be vigilant in protecting our private information. Protect yourself from identity theft and erase all traces of sensitive information with a Miseo Identity Theft Protection Ruler Stamp. It's a stamp that completely covers any data that you may want to keep private. Now you can throw away documents without worrying about your privacy. This stamp has a unique pattern of randomly rotated characters that conceals whatever is printed underneath. It works great on your addresses, phone numbers, credit card bills, social security numbers, prescription bottles, and any other sensitive documents you may want protected. For best results, it is recommended that you avoid using it on coated paper, glossy paper, and paper with rough texture. It's lightweight and compact, a handier and more affordable alternative to paper shredder. Recycle instead of shredding. It works great on any size of document because of its wide coverage and adjustable length. The ink dries instantly, so it's quick, clean, and easy to use. Just swipe. The total length of stamp coverage can reach up to 100 meters fully inked, and the ink can be refilled in the stamp side when ink runs out. That means unlimited re-inking for complete data protection whenever you need it.
Load the skeet, activate the launcher, reload and ready, blast the skeet out of the air.
Do you have to talk like that?
No, but Skeet Shooter comes with everything you see here.
Skeet Shooter!
Available at leading retailers.